Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Camera or GCam on any Android. So if you want to use GCam as your primary camera application, you can do it by install the GCam loader first. You can try to search GCam loader, the latest version, on any source in Google. There's a lot of source that you can trust. You can download it. So feel free to try download GCam loader and install it on your phone. So after install GCam loader, you can try to search the GCam version that compatible on your phone. So here we are. This is your device and this is the camera. If enable, it will on green. If disable, it will be red. So this one, suggested version, please use this suggested version instead of you try by yourself. Just use the MGC, this one. Just copy this and then you can download it. You click download and wait the browser load. You can tap advance. You can proceed. Here, download now. Download anyway. As you can see, the file is quite big. It's about 500 megabyte. So just wait it. Now you can tap again to install. Make sure your phone is available. Give a permission to install from other source beside a Play Store. You have to wait the process. Now the installation is done. Let's tap the camera and the GCam is ready to use. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click this button below. See you in the next video.